Oh, they dove.
I thought it was the shit.
What's going on, Dane?
Just out here looking around at some schools tailing fish. It looked like tarpon to me, but I don't know. Let's keep on trucking. Hold on, Terry. Jay, what's going on here? We found Desi's trap. The ghost trap. Fun in there. Get that crab out of there, Jay. Terry, get the gaff away. Let him get it. Get that.
Fucking freaks.
Come on, Jay. You can get him.
Both sides.
There you go. What's up, Jay?
What's up with that?
You got him.
Yeah, I'm not
You
gonna
scared?
take a claw. Are you?
Oh, man.
Here he is.
Set him free.
Dane, what's going on?
We found this ghost trap here. Let these lobsters go. This is what happens when people. Just watch out there. When people abandon their commercial traps or whatever. Kills angelfish in there, everything. So. And the ropes get hung over, sea turtles and stuff. So. If you throw a trap in the water, make sure you get it out.
Lobster on that thing.
Right down low. Terry, what's in there?
I don't know, man. I've never seen this before in my life.
This is called the donut hole.
Terry, jump in there, man.
I will.
Good old donut hole. Lobsters are starting to show up.
I know, man.
Seen a lot today.
So what that is, that's the molts. So when the lobsters grow, they grow inside their shell, and then the shell breaks in half and they come out and they have a softer shell. It takes them a couple of days to harden up. Terry, that thing go longer than you.